What's going on? Jeff D, AIMC for a health and wellness video for you. Live here, Chitchut Rail Trail, Framingham, Massachusetts, on this absolutely beautiful Massachusetts summer day. At least we got rid of some of that humidity and fog. So, as always, did my workout at LA Fitness down the street, shoulders, tries, abs, as always. So, this week I want to talk about something that we've had actually a lot of here in Massachusetts recently, with a lot of high humidity, fog, aka brain fog. Do you suffer from brain fog at all? So it's one of those days where you just can't remember your name or your spouse's name or even your dog's name, right? You're like, I just can't remember things, right? We all suffer from that. And a lot of times what causes that is a few things, right? You know, it's either we're not getting enough sleep. I've heard a lot where you're spending too much time in front of screens. Because if you look at screens so much, all of a sudden you get all foggy and all that, right? There's other things, of course, and we talk about lifestyle and diet. You know, you just don't eat the right foods. Too much sugar that causes inflammation and lack of blood flow. A lot of things cause brain fog. And, you know, mental clarity is important, especially when you're driving or you're working or just having conversations with people. So you think, all right, Jeff, what do you do to get rid of brain fog? Number one, spend more time outdoors on days like today. Beautiful days. Also, get 7 hours of sleep. Get proper sleep. Don't take too many naps during the day because then you get foggy a little bit. Proper sleep. And of course, diet, right? You may have to uptake your vitamin B from a supplement perspective, vitamin B and C, and fish oils. Right? You may have a little bit of lack of iron, so maybe a multivitamin with iron, especially if you're a woman. That would help you, at least from a supplement perspective. And then from a food perspective, of course, you hear this a lot from me, sugar, lack of bread products. You want to keep your gut clean and healthy and flowing great, because a lot of times if your gut has too much bacteria, it goes to your cognitive function and your brain's a little bit wacky, right? So, and then of course vegetables and all that, anything that has a high vitamin B content, because vitamin B gives you mental clarity and focus. So that's that. So I think it comes down to this. It's some of our lifestyle choices, being in front of screens too much, not getting enough sleep, and not eating the right foods, and not getting out there for these beautiful days like this, and you have a great day. So that is it. I'm going to enjoy this day. Me and my wife Heather, we're walking. We're doing this walk right now, enjoying the day, staying away from those computer screens, and getting good sleep tonight. Be clear, have that mental focus, and we'll see you soon. Jeff D, AIMCHealthSolutions.com. Have a good day.